I'm so crooked. So it's been a minute since I did a thrifting video. I actually haven't been thrifting that much because I helped my daughter move and she gave me a bunch of her stuff to list, and that's kind of kept me busy. But I did go today and I got so excited. We found a yard sale, the first yard sale of the season. And I found some really cute things, and then we went to Goodwill and I found some cute things. So I'm just going to blow through them real quick here and show you what I got. Some of them I've already listed and started taking pictures, and then I was like, wait, I should make a video. So here we go. So if you're new here, hey, my name is Angie. On my channel, we do all things life improvement. We organize, we do nutrition. I love to thrift and I love to sell on the Poshmark app. And here lately, most of the videos have been about thrifting because that's kind of where my brain has been. So I'm going to go through the things I got today. First of all, one thing that's for me, I picked these up at the yard sale. They are Carlos by Carlos Santana. I really don't wear red that often, but I thought these were super cute, and the price was really good, and I like them. So this was for me. The next thing that I picked up at the yard sale, I want to keep it, but I need a new backpack like I need a hole in my head. This really cute LL Bean backpack. I love green. Green's my favorite color, and it's St. Patrick's Day. This is in great shape. It barely looks like it's been used. There are a few spots on the white if you look closely. Of course, I can't find any, like right there. But it still looks really, really good. So this is going to get put on Poshmark, but if it doesn't sell, it's one of those things. It's not going to hurt my feelings because I really like it. Oh, what else did I get at the yard sale? Oh, they gave me a bag. Oh, I got a cute pair of shoes. I've never heard of this brand, but Gola, it's kind of like a Kids or a Vans, the way they look. They're a UK-based brand. These are the classic Comet Twill. They're really good shape, haven't been worn very much. Soles look good. These are already on Poshmark. If you're interested, they're a men's size 12. Yard sale. What else did I get at the yard sale? 1, 2, 3. I got 4 things at the yard sale. I picked up this Eddie Bauer jacket. It's a nice little spring coat. It is a small, I think. Yeah, it's a small. And you know me, green, I saw it. I picked it up. It will go on Poshmark, but because I don't really need another jacket, but I want to keep it because it's cute. So I'll put some pictures up of it so you can see the whole thing. I like to take my pictures outside on days when it's sunny because I think it just makes the colors look so much better. The only problem is on days like today, when it's windy, I have to stand there and wait a second until the item starts trying to blow away. So I'm going to snap a few pictures of this and then get it listed. I love this. I think it is so cute. It's one of those items that doesn't have a big name brand. It's Crazy Cat, but it's 100% cotton. It's got this pretty embroidery. It's got this nice little tunic style. Perfect for summer. The elastic sleeves. Maybe a cute little bathing suit cover up. And so this, like I said, this is one of those things, it's not a name brand, but it's super cute. And I'm excited about it. This one, unfortunately, doesn't photograph as cute as it is. It's a Kinsey size large. It's sheer, it's buttoned down. This ties, which I untied it once I got done taking pictures of it. It's got the little cinched waist. Here, the local university is blue and gold school colors, so it would be really cute to wear to a game. It's a little much for a swimsuit cover-up, but I still think it's really cute. So I picked it up, obviously. Let me see. I'll tie it, and then I'll show you what that looks like tied. Meh, my bow tying skills aren't real great, but you get the gist. It can be tied in a cute little bow right here. And I've already taken all my pictures and my measurements of these 7 for All Mankind jeans, but they are super cute. They're a flare. They're the dojo style. They're 7 for All Mankind. They're a size 30. I've got those listed on Poshmark, and I'll put some pictures of them unfolded up in just a second. Okay, the next thing I picked up that I've got to list, I don't even know what I've bought, but it was cute. It is Divided by H&M, and it's an extra small, and it's like a dress. I mean, it's extra small, but really, I think you could sell it as children's. I don't know why. I just thought this was cute. And if you know what this is supposed to be, comment below. The first thing I thought of was Rydell, like from Greece, but that's probably not what that is. So I've got to get this listed here in a minute. I picked this up. It is a silk Talbot's shell. Just a good basic piece. Clearly it needs to be steamed. My daughter was actually needing, or she just got a blue and green skirt. I don't know if she needs this, but I might offer it to her before I list it. Just a nice, pretty basic piece. This, I did a lot of things today that are like mine. This robe has no label in it, except it's 100% polyester. I did find that. But I just thought this was really pretty. So, it's just a robe. And I like robes because I'm usually cold. But in the summer, my flannel robe is a little much. So I may list this, but then also keep it. Yeah, so I think, oh, no, there's one more thing. And guess what? It's another I may keep it item. This is a dress, and you're not going to be able to see the full beauty of it. It is by Christina Love, aka, I think this is a really cheap brand. Probably came from like Rue 21 or something. But it's a halter with the little beads. So pretend like it fits like this. And then it's just long. And it was on clearance today at the Goodwill, so I picked that up. I'll try it on. If it fits well, I'm keeping it. If it doesn't, it's going online. So everything is going to be listed before tonight is over that I'm going to list. And if you are not on Poshmark, use my referral code below. You'll get $5 off your first purchase, and then I get $5 for referring you. If you're on Poshmark, already my closet is Doodle Turtle. I would love for you to come find me and follow me. It is my hobby. It's the thing I do on a Sunday afternoon when I should be doing more productive stuff, but this is fun. So I hope you guys have a great day. This was my little thrift haul. If you see something you like, it's all on Poshmark. Well, not all of it, because some of it I'm keeping. So you guys have a great day. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.